Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Prometheus remote right securely step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a working Prometheus installation. Identify the endpoint URL of your remote Prometheus instance. Configure TLS for secure communication between your Prometheus server and the remote instance. Generate a self-signed certificate or acquire a trusted certificate from a certificate authority. Store your TLS certificate and key files in a secure location on your server. Update your Prometheus configuration file to include the path to your TLS certificate and key files. Next, set up basic authentication for added security on the remote endpoint. Create a user account and password on the remote Prometheus instance. Encode your username and password using base64. Add the encoded credentials to your Prometheus configuration under the remote_right section. In your Prometheus configuration file, specify the remote_right endpoint and include the authentication details. Make sure the remote_right section also includes the required headers for authentication. Once the configuration is complete, save the configuration file and restart your Prometheus server. After restarting, monitor the Prometheus logs for any errors regarding remote right. If no errors are present, verify that data is being sent to the remote instance. Ensure the data is being securely transmitted by checking the security settings on your remote Prometheus server. Regularly review and update your tokens and credentials to maintain security. Test your setup periodically to confirm that the remote authentication remains functional and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.